guys, so in this tutorial I'd like to show you how you could use match and index to look up upon multiple criteria and extract the information based on the match information. Okay, so right now I have within my table here that I have category, brand name, price. So I have category, it's called buttermilk, and then the brand name is called club. Now right now, as according to these two items right here, I would like to look for price. Okay? I would like to look for a price. So as when I go to this price right here, and when I go for this price, I will be using two functions right here, one called index and one called match. We're going to be starting with using the function called index function. Now the index function is going to act like a function to help us to retrieve the price. So when I go for this index function, I'll say please go to my product table and look for the price column. All right, so next this index is going to be asking you, okay, right now I see you have a lot of pricing right here, but I'm not sure which row to extract. Now in order to locate the row of the buttermilk club, we would then be using the function called match function. And it looks very much similar like a VLOOKUP, but it's not entirely the same. Okay, so VLOOKUP is to extract the value based on the match item. Match function is going to extract the location number based on the match item. So I will start with my buttermilk, and then as when you have more criteria to match, you're going to be using the symbol of %, to join with the other criteria. So I'm going to be saying that, hey, match function, I have this buttermilk and this club, can you please find me which row that they're in. But match function will say, where can I find your buttermilk and club? So you have to guide them. Okay, so I'm going to say, please go to my product table and category column. Now that's where you can locate my buttermilk / you are going to, and you're not done yet because we're going to ask them to search for the club as well. So we say, please go to my product table, and under the brand name column, you should be able to see there's a club, the word called club, and I say, please use exact match and close bracket. Now, if any one of you were running or using Excel, which is in versions 2016, 2013, 2010, as when you're running this function, this is actually called an array formula. That you are required to use Ctrl+Shift+Enter to finish up with this function. But because I'm using the latest function 2019 user, you guys do not need to do this anymore. All you have to do just hit enter. So right now that it says that this is the price for buttermilk and the brand name called club. But let's say I'd like to give it a try. What about this brand called even better? So when I hit enter, they say, okay, the price for even better is $1.15. Okay, so this is how you could use your match and index to look up for your information. Alright guys, so this is just a very quick tutorial of me showing you how you can do this. I hope you have learned something today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.